everyone, we're going to do a proof, a two-column proof here. Here's our figure, and what's given is that these two angles are congruent. And that's already written for you, so that's given. So the second statement is going to be our A here, and it's saying that BEC, the measure of BEC, is congruent to measure BEC. So this angle is congruent to itself. So that's called the, I'll put it right here, the reflexive property. The reason you want to write that down is because we want to use it for this statement. We want to add this to both sides of our given. So when we want to do that, because this is our conclusion, which is E, and we need to have get some more angles in here. So we're going to add it to both sides. I'm adding it here, and I'm adding it here. So that's called your addition property of equality. So we'll just say addition property. Now what I'm going to do is subtract angles. Well, I'm going to do the angle addition postulate. So I know that angle AEC, so let's look at this. Angle AEC, and I'm going to erase this now. AEC equals AEB plus angle, the measure of angle BEC. So this whole angle here equals these two added together. So for C, that's called the angle addition postulate. Postulate. And we're going to use it 2 times. So the first time we're going to use it, we're going to write 1. All right. And then we're going to do it again. But this time we're going to say angle BED equals these two angles, CEB and CED, or BEC. So that one, and so that means this whole angle equals these two added together. So that one is still the angle addition postulate. Postulate 2, since it's the second time we used it. So finally, if you look what we have a BED here, and we need an AEC. So I'm going to use these two and use substitution. So basically, I know that AEC equals these two, and BED equals these two. So that means that our measures are equal. The measures of each one are equal. So that's your substitution property. Let's see, property of equality. And just to clarify, if I look at this one, I have the measure of angle BED equals the measure of CED plus the measure of BEC. But we know that BEC equals itself, and CED equals AEB. So when you do your substitution property, we get the measure of AEC, looking at here, which is AEB. And that also equals BED. All right, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.